September 23rd marks the Autumn Equinox, the day when daylight and the nighttime are equal, symbolizing the turning of the seasons. In Buddhism, the afterlife is called Higan, meaning the other shore, and it is believed that during this time, the world of living and the world of dead come closer together. September 21st is the anniversary of my maternal grandmother's passing. She passed away when I was just 1 year old, so I have no memories of her, but I've always heard that she was gentle and very skilled in cooking and sewing. My mother also inherited her talent for cooking. Among the many dishes she made, her ohagi, sweet rice balls wrapped in red bean paste, were unmatched. Before my mother passed away, she once told me, "Watch carefully how I make ohagi." I regret so much that I didn't take notes at that time. If only I had known she didn't have much time left. I've tried making ohagi a few times following recipes I found online, and today I'll be making them the same way. First, I skim off the foam from the boiling azuki beans. Interestingly, the word for foam, aku, comes from the same root as ash water, which is made by soaking ash in water. It's alkaline and used to be used for washing clothes or dyeing fabrics. I don't remember my mother straining the beans to make smooth koshian, fine red bean paste, but my father insists she did. I do remember how carefully she cooked and kneaded the beans over several days. Maybe that's why her paste was so smooth and glossy. Mine still can't compare to hers. It's far from the deep, shiny finish she always had. After cooking the sweet rice, I shaped 10 portions. My mother always used the damp hand towel to shape the ohagi, and I do the same. 4 of them I made into kinako ohagi by putting the sweet bean paste inside the rice and coating them with roasted soybean flour. Red bean paste is essential for wagashi, traditional Japanese sweets. This time, I made a chunky tsubuan. It takes time, but the process is actually easier than making Western-style desserts. And because it's free of additives, homemade always tastes best. As I made these ohagi, I couldn't help but think about my mother and wonder if she thought of my grandmother when she made them too. Next time, I want to try making smooth koshian using granulated sugar instead of white sugar, so I can get closer to my mother's ohagi. She used to make them many times a year, but I'm lucky if I make them once a year. I guess just like with the tea or anything else, it takes a practice to get better. Thanks for watching, And if you love tea culture and Japanese cooking, don't forget to like and subscribe.